Where's the cup? Izzy, where's the cup? Can you make me some tea, please? Where's the cup? There, can you give me some tea, please? Please? You want some tea? You want to drink it? Good girl. Can I have some? Thank you. Where's the cake? Whoa. Where's the cake? You gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat the cake? How do you eat the cake? How do you eat it? How do you eat the cake, Izzy? Izzy, can you eat the cake? Show Mama how to eat cake. Where's the cake? You gonna eat it? Eat? Eat? Not that. What are you eating? Alright, give me cake. Give me cake. Thank you. Thank you, baby girl. Mama loves you. Mba. Mba.